gonna track you.
Don't scare him, though. Don't scare him.
Yo, that's the Florida drone police.
That is heading over here.
Don't do anything. Let's see. Is he actually gonna come
What's
up?
the code for the door?
I'm gonna.
He's actually gonna come up.
Hey, what's the
Oh,
code?
shit.
I'm just gonna make sure I'm standing behind an employee.
I think I can outrun him. I think. I'm not sure.
As long as I can outrun you, that's what matters.
Yo, Chris. I'm busy.
Hey, Chris.
Don't do it. Oh, shit.
Hey, Google.
Yeah, wait a second. I want to have it on the video.
She's actually scared for you.
It's fine. Rossmann Group offers good life insurance.
Listen, being married to somebody that does not want you to be eaten by an alligator, that's a good thing.
Oh, just chilling.
No, it's not.
Oh.
It literally saw
It's a
us
good
and it
little
came.
alligator. Hi!
Oh
Hey.
shit, it's turning.
Hi, little alligator.
He's like, it's no, it's not. It's trying to see. It's sizing us up. It's trying to see, can I eat these guys? And then it got close and it's like, you know what? Probably not. It's literally what it's doing.
If it was only one of us, I think we could fight it off if there's four of
Well,
us. I'm not counting Chris's wife in the group of people who would fight it off. No offense. I think there's a reason you're standing over there.
Look, he's here eyeing you.
That is...
Yeah. Yeah, so he's trying to see. He's like, can I eat one of them? Can I eat none of them?
Okay, that's not a coincidence that he's looking right over here.
No, it's not. Did you see where he was? He was all the way there. He's like, can I eat Sunny? And then he realized Sunny's fat as fuck.
I'm just gonna walk this way. That's it for today, and as always, I hope you learned something.